All right, gang, it's your boy Nature, aka Nature Gang. All right, gang. So recognizing these candlestick patterns on a higher time frame is just extremely important. I just wanted to go over this one more time. Just recognizing candlestick patterns, the overall direction on a higher time frame is extremely important. As you can see, we was in an uptrend from take profit 4 on January 30th, January 31st, 2022, from take profit 4 all the way up to take profit 1. You can see on a 4-hour time frame. We have a bullish engulfing pattern right here, yellow candlestick engulfing the black candlestick, and we see a push up from 1790 on February 3rd, 2022, from 1790 all the way up from take profit 3 all the way up to take profit 1. It finally gets to take profit 1, our psychological level, at 1815 before pushing back down. As you can see, take profit 4 from January 30th, we was in an uptrend from January 30th all the way up to February 4th, 2022. We was in an uptrend. We finally see a push above the take profit 1, and then what we see a black Marubozo single candlestick pattern letting us know that sellers are in complete control. After price gets to a take profit level, a new take profit level, price will completely head back down in a downtrend all the way back down to take profit 3. As we see a push all the way back down to take profit 3, a black Marubozo candlestick all the way down to take profit 3 before we see buyers come in at great trade 1 and great trade 2 and push price all the way back up to take profit 2 and end in the market at 1807 for this first week of February. So I just wanted to show you on a higher time frame again. As you know, we would trade on a higher time frame. As we would trade on a higher time frame, overall, we would look on a higher time frame so we can see the overall trend on a 4-hour and a 1 hour as well. I just wanted to show y'all that again. As you can see, on a 1 hour, boom, we were in an uptrend as well. You know, on the 1 hour, we was in an uptrend as well from take profit before we up to take profit 1, and then we headed back. We see a retest from take profit 1. After we see this consolidation, we see a breakout 3 candlestick pattern, 3 yellow candlestick pattern, all the way up to take profit 1, and then we see a retest of black long Marubozo candlestick from 814, 815 all the way down to 1795, and then we see price head a little further from 1794, 1795 all the way down to 1791 before buyers came in and pushed price back up from 1791 all the way from great trade 1, 1793, 1795 all the way up to 1807, as you can see on the 1 hour as well. So just being able to recognize you know, the overall direction on a higher time frame is extremely important as well. And we go to the 15 and a 5 minute for structure, more structure, and entries. You know, we'll go to the 15 and the 5 minute for more structure and entries gain. I just wanted to explain that to you again as well. So just wanted to let you know that you know, this is what's this is how we trade. Like, this is how we trade, gang. This is how we trade. Like, price will go you know, price will was in an uptrend. As you can see, price was in an uptrend. I'm gonna scroll back on the 15. It's so much I can show you. You just get entries on the 15 and a 5 minute. Like, we were in an uptrend from take profit 4. We was in an uptrend all the way to take profit 1. As price went to take profit 1 on the 15, you can see take profit 1. Boom, all the way to take profit 1, consolidates, gives us an even star pattern, and then heads back down to take profit 3. You could have gotten that grade 1 and grade trade 2 and rolled it all the way back up to 1807. So just understanding candlestick patterns, understanding market structure, understanding that price will make higher highs and higher lows, understanding price on a lower time frame and a higher time frame is extremely important. Like, putting it all together, you know, is extremely important. As this is a real market. This is a real market where you can make millions in this market on your phone, and you can also lose millions on your phone as well. You can lose a lot of money in the market as well. So Forex is not a scam. You have to understand candlestick patterns. You have to understand the overall trend on a higher time frame as well. So I just wanted to explain that to y'all again, as you know, this is what, you know, it looks like on a higher time frame. Um, this is what price looks like on a higher time frame. We were in an uptrend from take profit 4 all the way up to take profit 1. So I just wanted to show you that this is for your psychology. You know, as price will go from our psychological levels from take profit 4 to take profit 3 to take profit 2 all the way to take profit 1. We were in a nice uptrend, and it will once it gets to a take profit level, it will retest back down to take profit 3 before heading back up to take profit 2, started consolidating at take profit 2, boom, before retesting back down to take profit 3, getting everybody out this trade. This is why it's important that you not try to swing trade this, as you will lose your money. As you can see, you cannot swing trade this as price push down on the 1 hour all the way back down to take profit 3, past take profit 3, almost to take profit 4 at 1788. This is the lowest point that price has gotten to, and then it winds up pushing all the way back up to take profit 1, before retesting back down to take profit 3 and closing and retesting back up, heading back up to take profit 2 at 1807.80. So just understanding everything. This is this is market structured on a higher time frame. You can see the overall direction on a higher time frame compared to a 15 and a 5 minute. You can see candlestick faster on a 5 minute, 15. That these are all our candlestick patterns. You have to be extremely patient with Forex because you can lose a lot of money. And so you have to be extremely patient. As this didn't happen until from February 2nd. This didn't happen from February 2nd to February 3rd. This took one day before, almost like 2 days, until we see price head back in our overall direction. So you have to be patient with this market. You have to be very patient with this market as you would have tried to swing trade this from trade 1 and trade 2. Trade 2 on February 2nd. Price didn't go all the way back in our overall direction until February 3rd, all the way up to February 4th, 2022. Like, it didn't go, it took 2 more days to get all the way back up here in overall direction. So you can lose a lot of money getting in at the middle of an uptrend and then trying to hold this trade. Just get out the trade at take profit 2 and take your money as you're thinking Forex is a scam when Forex is not a scam. You're just holding this trade, and you cannot hold this trade. This move did not happen until the next 2 days, from February 2nd to February the 3rd. On February the 3rd all the way to February 4th. February the 4th, this move didn't happen until the next another 2 more days, and then you could have got in that great trade and great trade 2, or trade 1 and trade 2, and rolled it all the way up to take profit 1. Could have got out at take profit 1 as price retest back down to take profit 3 on past trade 2 and trade 1, and then heading back up at take profit 2 and ending at 1807. So Forex is not a scam. You don't want to get in at the middle of the uptrend. This is where you lose the most money. You lose the most money at the middle of an uptrend. This is where you make the most money at great trade 1 and great trade 2, and you ride it all the way up to 1807. So if you're trying to get in for a trade at trade 1 and trade 2, and you're trying to hold these trades, price will stop you out. If you're trying to put $1 or $2 at these trades, all at these trades, trade 1s and trades 2, and price is not swing trading. You cannot swing trade this. You cannot hold this, as price was already in an uptrend from take profit forward on January 30th. It will retest all the way back down to take profit 3 and get everybody out this trade before heading back in the overall direction. So so I don't want you to be gambling like you're gambling with your money, and you'll lose a lot of money gambling. Um, you're trying to get rich overnight. You should just get out the trade once price gets to take profit 2. Get out the trade and take the money and wait for price to retest, and then you could have got in for great trade 2 and great trade 1, and rolled it all the way up. You could have rolled this all the way up to take profit 1, and you would have been in profit the whole time. Same thing here. Price retest back down to take profit 3, and you could have rolled it all the way up to take profit 2, and have been in profit the whole time. I just wanted to show you this, as you can see more structure. You can see on a higher time frame. So you have to be very patient with Forex, and you can make a lot of money in Forex. Just wait for price to retest back down. After a uptrend, price will retest back down, go head back up, retest back down, head back up, retest back down, head back up, creating what? Higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, and higher highs and higher lows and higher highs. Making market structure, letting us know we're in an uptrend when it creates higher highs and higher lows and higher highs. I just want to show you that on a higher time frame. On the 4 hour, we was in an uptrend, and you can see on the 4 hour too. That's on the 1 hour. You can see on the 4 hour we was in an uptrend. So we was in an uptrend on the 4 hour as well. So I hope these videos help. Game. It's your boy Nature, aka Nature Gang.